What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we want to be taking a look at this picture of Kendall Jenner. Today, once again, it's a Polaroid vibe, and she's done this shoot for Alo, and you requested these pictures a lot, and I want to show you how to recreate this look using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app. Now, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you don't want to follow along to the whole tutorial to save you some time, you can just easily download it from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 170 presets for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And of course, once you buy the all presets pack, you will have all the new presets, all the future presets automatically updated. So you just have to get it once and you get all the new presets as well. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Now subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything else you need from me, any questions or just inspiration for new videos, I'm always open for your DMs on Instagram, and I'm really excited to hear from you. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you will need to do, of course, is open your picture on your smartphone in the free Lightroom app, and preferably you'll take the picture with the flash on in front of a white wall or just clean background. So we'll open the picture in the Lightroom right here. Now, I've chosen this picture. It's also of the Alo website. I thought it came close to the setting. And the first thing you want to do in the Lights tab is go to Curve on the upper right side and recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. On the bottom left, the shadows, we want to pull them up a little bit and then just create that really steep S curve. Once you have this, we're done here. We want to pull down the contrast to around -7. We want to pull down the highlights as well to -49, and we want to boost up the shadows all the way to +42 right here. We want to pull down the blacks to -40 or 39, and then we're done with the light. We go over to color. What you want to do here is just boost up the temperature a little bit to around +8. Then we want to pull down the saturation all the way to -41 right here. Scroll up, hit mix on the upper right side, and then for the red tones on the left, we don't want to change anything, but for the orange tones right here, we want to boost up the hue to around +26 or 27 to give the skin tone more of a yellow tone to it. And then of course, we want to bring back the saturation, boost that up all the way to +34 in this case. And then we want to go over to the yellow tones here, and we want to boost up the saturation for the yellow tones to around +28 right here. Then we're done with the mix. The next thing we want to do is go to grading on top, and now for the shadow, we want to pull to a hue of around 16 and a saturation really slightly up around 8 to add those red tones to the shadows. Then we go over to the midtones. Here we want to choose a hue of 16 again, and a saturation of around 33 in this case. And again, we're gonna add some red to that midtone. Then we go over to the highlights here, and now we want to pull that to that green, kind of green aqua area, a hue of 131, and a saturation of really slight in this case, around 5 is perfect. And now the luminance here, we want to pull that down all the way to -100 for those highlights to get that white a little darker in the background. Then we're done here. We go over to effects. What you want to do is pull down the clarity to -26, and we want to pull down the dehaze as well a little bit to -9, and we want to pull down the vignette as well to -27 just to create a little bit of a dark circle around the image. And of course, we want to add some grain to around 17 right here, and we are done. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that real Kendall Jenner inspired Polaroid look that she posted on her Instagram account. Now, if you want to add that border, that Polaroid frame, I've also done a video on that already. I'll link it right here in the corner for you to check it out and add that Polaroid frame to kind of add some more character to the whole image. So make sure to check that out. Of course, if you want to save some time, I've also created a preset for this look for you guys. It's linked under this video. It's on the website, and it's in the all presets pack with over 170 presets for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures. And the cool thing about this pack is, to all of you guys who already have it, this preset is now updated for you and ready to be used. For the rest of you guys, I really recommend the pack because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything you need from me, as I said in the beginning, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy editing your pictures and let me see what you come up with. I'm super excited. Thanks for the support, the love, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.